Good morning, boys and girls. We are going to do lesson 49 of Saxon Phonics. All right, today you need to start out with lesson 49. You have some words. You're going to pause the video and cut out your words. We're going to alphabetize some words today. So if you want to, you can tear the whole page off and alphabetize your words. So cut them out and let's get ready to put them in ABC order. Pause your video until you're ready. I'll get my screen ready. We're going to put 10 words in ABC order today. All right, before we get started, let's look at your words. All right, can we use the first letter as our guide letter? What do we do to decide? Let's underline the first letter and look at each one and see if it begins with a different letter of the alphabet. So take your pencil, crayon, highlighter, and underline that first letter, and let's look. Okay. Now, do all of your words begin with a different letter of the alphabet? Yes, they do. So we can use the first letter of each word as the guide letter. We'll use it to put our words in ABC order. All right, it is your turn today. You are going to pause the video. Use your alphabet strip to help you put these words in ABC order. Remember, you'll start with the A. Do I have a word that starts with A? If you do, move it over. If not, go to the next letter until you have all 10 in order from top to bottom. And then we'll check your work. So pause the video, put your words in order, and then we will check it together. Let's check your work. Do we have an A word? No. B? Yes, basket. Whoop, Miss Fire still got her highlighter on. Do we have a C word? No. D? Yes, dusk. After D is E, elf. All right, F, flag. Move him over a little bit so we can see him. G, H, harm. After H is I, no. J, no. K, no. L, lost. M, mask. N, O, no. P, print. After P is Q. R, no. S, swim. And then the last one is torn. So here are your words in ABC order. You should have basket, dusk, elf, flag, harm, lost, mask, print. you have them in order, awesome job. If you didn't get it, that's okay. You can keep practicing with those cards. Just put them in a Ziploc bag, or you can use a gym clip, whatever you have to clip them together. And you can keep practicing putting those words in ABC order. All right, don't forget to study. Your spelling test will be tomorrow. So practice spelling list 9 again. You can either use Spelling City or take a practice spelling test, however you want to do it. But your test will be tomorrow. And also, turn over. You have the packet. Remember, you're going to have to turn the page to Lesson 49. Name at the top. All right, let's do our review. All right, review cards. Name the letters. The vowel Y, O consonant E, final stable syllable GLE, final stable syllable FLE, digraph SH, E consonant E, I consonant E, digraph EE, digraph CK, final stable syllable DLE, digraph OO, final stable syllable PLE, A consonant E, combination QU, combination OR, X, combination UR, final stable syllable BLE. Combination AR, U consonant E, combination WH, digraph CH, affix cards. Remember, an affix can be added to the beginning or ending of a root word to change its meaning. All right, we have suffixes. Suffixes are added to the end of a root word. So this is suffix S, and it means more than one of something. Dogs, more than one dog. Suffix less means without. If you are hairless, you are without hair. Suffix ing means it is happening right now. I am teaching phonics. Teaching means I will teach right now. Suffix ed means it's already happened in the past. She looked for me in the halls. Add ed to look to make it mean it's already happened. All right, your sight word cards. Read them the fast way. Put, don't, said, won't, says, push, where, come, what, there a place, are, pull, together, would, won't, into, were, could, been, bush, something, there. It belongs to them. Goes. Who. All right. Let's look at your 2 sounds we've learned this week. All right, the vowel Y at the end or final position can make these sounds. All right, get ready. Cry, vowel Y, I. Remember, in a 1-syllable word, you will hear the I sound like in cry. right, get ready. Candy, vowel Y, E. Remember, in 2 or more syllable words, if you have the vowel Y, it's going to say E. And Y can also be a vowel in the medial position as well. Remember, it can make different sounds. It can make the long I sound or the short I sound. You just have to look at the word. All right. Let's spell some review words today and do some sounds. First, let's go over some review sounds. Number 1 is a combination. Yes, as in whale. Write it. What letters? Combination W-H. Number 2 is a digraph. Ooh. Yes, ooh. Write it. What letters? Digraph O can say ooh. It also has another sound. Number 3. Yes. Remember, there's 2 different ways to spell that sound. Write it on number 3. We have V, final, V-E. V, final, V-E. Remember, at the end of a word, we spell with V-E no matter what. Number 4, R. Yes, R. Write it. What letters? A-R, combination A-R. Number 5, I. Yes, I. Remember, we now have a spelling in the final position for that sound. Number 5. You should have I consonant E, comma, I with a macron, final vowel Y, like in cry. Check your work. Number 6, U. Yes, U. Write it. 2 ways. You should have U consonant E and U with a macron. They both make the long sound. Number 7, digraph. Yes. Write it. What letters? Digraph TH. Number 8, this is our big one. Yes. 2 ways we've learned in the initial position. 3 ways we've learned in the final position. Write them. Okay, in the beginning of a word, we can spell with K or C. In the final position, if it's a short vowel, CK. Consonant or digraph, K. And if it's a long vowel sound, we spell with KE. So your rule is K, comma, C. Final, CK, comma, K, comma, KE. Check your work. Number 9. Ooh. Yes, ooh. Write it 2 ways. All right, you should have L, final LL for the floss rule. All right, let's practice using some of these sounds to spell some words. Number 10, swell. Swell. When I fell, I thought my ankle would swell. Swell. Tell me the sounds you hear. S, ooh, eh, ooh. Again. S, ooh, eh, ooh. Spell swell on number 10. Now let's spell it together. SWELL. What word? Swell. We've got a short vowel followed by ooh. So it's twin consonant L's for the floss rule. Swell. Number 11. Spell the word fort. Fort. We will play in our fort in the backyard. Fort. Tell me the sounds you hear. Fort. Again. Fort. Spell fort on number 11. Guys, let's spell fort. Get ready. F-O-R-T. What word? Fort. Number 12. Pave. Pave. They will pave the road in front of the school. Pave. Tell me the sounds you hear in pave. Get ready. A. Again. There is a sound that you cannot hear at the end. Pave. Pave. Write it on number 12. Here, guys, let's spell pave. Get ready. P-A-V-E, pave. Remember, anytime you hear V, we're going to spell it V-E anyways. Pave. All right. Sight words, funny words. Number 13, put. Please, put your pencil down. Put. I need you to pick it up, though, for real. Write put. Write put on number 13. Spell put. Get ready. P-U-T. What word? Put. All right, number 14. Want. Want. I am making a list to tell Santa what I want. Write want on number 14. Spell want. Get ready. W-A-N-T. What word? Want. Number 15. Been. Been. I have been a good student. Been. Write been on number 15. Been. All right, let's spell been. Get ready. B-E-E-N. What word? Been. Yes, been. All right. Now, find number 16. We are going to write a sentence. Listen. What time will we go to church? Listen again. What time will we go to church? Say it with me. What time will we go to church? Your turn. Say the sentence. Yes. What time will we go to church? Write that sentence on the lines for number 16. Spider's about to show it to you. Write it now. we go to church. We need to begin our sentence with a capital letter, spaces in between each word, and we end with a question mark because we are asking a question. It's an interrogative sentence. Check your work. All right, once you have it, your pencils are down, ears are listening, eyes are watching. All right, yesterday we discussed the regular spellings for the E sound. Today we're going to practice spelling words with the long E sound. Now, let's look at what we have. We have digraph EE, E with a macron, and in the final position, we also have digraph EE, and then we have the vowel Y. And remember, it's in a two-syllable word that we have the vowel Y that makes the long E sound. All right, now digraph EE is a regular spelling pattern for the long E sound in all one-syllable words, whether the sound is in the initial, medial, or final position. So EE can be anywhere in a one-syllable word, like in C and B and tree, okay? All right? In two-syllable words, when the long E sound is in the initial or medial position, it's usually E with a macron. It's usually at the end of a syllable. It's going to be E with a macron. All right? And then when the long E sound is in the final position of a two-syllable word, it's going to be the vowel Y. So let's try and see if we can figure out how we would spell some of these words. Echo this word, fee. Yes, fee. How many syllables are in the word fee? One syllable. All right. So what would be the way we would spell that word? It's a one-syllable word with long E at the end. So look at what we've got. It's in the final. Which one is one-syllable words? E-E. So we spell fee, F-E-E, fee. Remember, vowel Y is two-syllable words. All right. Now, let's look at another word. All right, echo this word, dandy. Where do you hear the long E sound? Dandy. The final position. All right. If it's in the final position and it has two syllables, how would we spell the E sound? Would we spell it E-E or Y? We're going to spell it Y. All right, so dandy and fee. So one-syllable words you spell with E-E at the end. Two-syllable words you're going to spell it with Y at the end. All right, now listen to the next word. Echo, eel. How many syllables are in eel? One syllable. All right, we hear the E sound at the beginning. So would we spell it E-E or long E? If it's one syllable. All right, one syllable is E-E. So eel is spelled with E-E. All right, listen to the next word. Eject. Eject. All right, where do we hear the E sound? It's in the initial position. All right, so we're up here. How many syllables are in eject? 2 syllables. So will we spell eject with E-E or E? 2 syllables is E. So we've got eel, 1 syllable. Eject is 2 syllables. Okay? All right, what about 50? 50. Where do you hear the E sound in 50? Final position. So we're looking over here. All right, how many syllables are in 50? 2. So would we spell 50 with E-E or Y?